Have you ever wondered how far you can go? Are you in position to succeed and get money? The time is now. We're here to make this happen together. Let's go. How to make $5,000 a month consulting with clients virtually. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Stick around. I'll be right back with all the exclusives on how to succeed and get money. Hello, entrepreneurs and money makers. It's Coco Wade with Succeed and Get Money. Welcome back to my channel. We are getting down to the nitty-gritty because I want to share with you what I've learned about how to make $5,000 a month consulting with clients virtually. Yes, virtually. By phone, online, on Zoom, you name it. $5,000 a month. You are this close to reaching your goal. So jump right in. We're going to hit home and we're going to talk about everything there is to know in a simple step-by-step format. All right, so are you ready for this? Because if you are, I want you to set your notifications, subscribe to this channel, and please, anything that we need to detail more in depth in the next video, I want you to let me know in the comments. All right, so number one, use your passion, right? Something that you know best, really strong at, advice you can lend, things you can actually talk about, results-oriented conversations. Consulting is sort of coaching and guiding. Consulting is giving the advice necessary to win. And you can only know that through firsthand experience or a ton of research, perhaps education or degree in that field. But it doesn't have to be by a degree, I promise you. It can be things that you know what you're talking about. That's basically what it boils down to. So find something that you're extremely passionate about and or something that you're confident that you know about so that you can deliver results to your clients. That's going to be the key point to this. So if you want to get clients, attain them, and keep them on your roster, you're going to have to give them results. That's why whatever you decide to teach and consult your clients on, you have to know what you're talking about. So look and dig deep down. Figure out what that thing is. It can be one thing that you can go on and on and on about, and you have had results that are proven, and then you can actually consult on that particular matter and win, succeed, and get money at it. Okay, now the first thing I want to share with you about consulting these clients is you're going to have to deliver, as we mentioned, but in delivering, you want to make sure that the clients feel your authenticity, that they can refer to the facts that you're providing them and be able to reference it with great reviews. So get other customer reviews. Do a trial basis perhaps so that the customers that you're starting out with can leave you testimonials, and those testimonials can be uploaded, shared, and are exposed for your new potential clients that are onboarding to see. And that is how you're going to get them to gain the trust in you, to be able to give you their money so that you can lead the way. Okay, so those are some fundamentals of basic consulting, and I wanted to share that with you because it's crucial in building the type of client base and platform your company will need to grow. All right, so number two, you're going to have to build a basic website. So when you build your website, it can be a click and drag website or WordPress, whatever you like, and or you can have someone to build it professionally. I recommend if you're keeping costs down and you want to limit your overhead, please consider building a basic site, right? Or even a landing page. That's a bet. If you build a landing page, it will also give them the ability to come by, see what you're doing, and take action right there from the landing page. So be sure that you consider that. Having a website is going to be crucial. Your clients can come to know more about you, your bio, your mission statement, and your vision, as well as tools and fundamentals that they'll need to get by in their business. And your plans for how you're going to consult them should be triggered right from the landing page or your basic website homepage. Either way, The website is going to be the gateway between you locking in your number one clients, your most valuable clients, to be honest with you. All right. And number 3, one of the things that you can do, which I highly recommend, this is me dropping gems, y'all. I think that if you're going to consult and you're going to open your calendar for virtual relationships, for booking phone calls, consults, even time in person with your clients, if you're going to be doing any of the sorts and you're billing out time, or you're giving them time increments, or they're getting on your calendar so that you can consult them, which is obviously the reason you're doing this in the first place, then you might want to choose a calendar site where you can actually have them to book you online. Now, the one that I recommend right now is Acuity. Okay, Acuity scheduling is, I believe, a good source for your clients coming in to see your calendar of availability, and for you even selling packages. So what I know is that you can sign up for free, and if you want to opt in, you can. But when you start making money, you're going to have to pay a small fee. I believe the last I checked, it was under $20, maybe $15 a month. And to have that Acuity scheduling link, which you can embed to your website, or you can just go from Acuity scheduling if you don't have a website, it's a whirlwind of a convenience for a consultant. So if you're interested in booking clients or scheduling out your calendar and letting them see it so that you can make this virtual money, consider a link that you can provide for them through Acuity and or any other site. And mind you, I'm not getting any endorsements from any of these. I just wanted to drop gems to you guys for things that I've learned firsthand, and I think they could be amazing for you in growing your consulting business. So if you like this content and you want me to make more of it, please, you guys, down in the comments, let me know what you want me to develop and talk about on Succeed and Get Money, the channel, and we'll create those videos as soon as we can. But more than anything, give me the thumbs up, show me some love, subscribe to my channel, and set your notifications. I'll make sure that I drop videos every week so we guys can help you on your journey to succeeding. So let's talk about number 4, okay? So number 4 is get 10 clients. I want to tell you how to go about getting clients, because ultimately, if you want to have a monthly income that's consistent with whether 5,000 or more, or even less, depending on what your realistic goal is, then you're going to have a select number of clients and maintain those clients every month to secure that number that you have for your goal. So let's just go with the $5,000 theory, because I happen to know something about that. With $5,000, if you, for example, were charging an amount of $500 a month per client, then you would need 10 clients. So let's talk about the 10 clients getting to that marking point. So to get 10 clients, I always tell people to aim high. If you want 10 clients, target 15 or 20. Why not? Because although you may be great at what you do, sometimes things play a role in clients making a decision to onboard now or later or ever. And so when that becomes a part of your analytics for how you're going to achieve this goal that you have set financially, you need to be realistic about that. So if you want 10 clients, you should be pitching to between 15 and 20, maybe even more. But if you're strategic at your pitch, at your offering, and the value for what you're bringing to the table, and you target the right clients, you should not have to target more than and pitch to over 20 clients to get your 10. All right. So look for clients that are in need of the service you provide. You can start on your social media page by drumming up an interest for that particular audience and client base. You can go and look for them. And more importantly, in your local community, that may be another opportunity for you to go out and network and meet some people that are in the industry that you may serve. But worldwide, you can actually do advertising to recruit to your potential clients by understanding your target audience. And those are the details that you're going to want to research and look at analytics for. But your clients are out there, and 10 is not that many, but it's plenty when you're trying to achieve a goal of, say, $5,000 a month. So let's talk about setting your prices. Now, while I suggest, depending on what industry you're in, you do the research on your competitors' rates and the research on the need for the service that you're going to bring through your consulting opportunity. Okay, that's going to help you to set the rate. And then understanding economics behind the audience you serve and or even the local community that you're going to provide your consulting services in. If you're going to do this and you're going to set a rate, you want to be knowledgeable and pretty smart about how you price it out. But let's say you decide you want to do the type of consulting service that runs about $125 a week, and you sum it up at $500 for the month duration, then that's going to give you 500 times 10 clients, which is where you're going to come with the calculation of 5,000, okay? And it's pretty straightforward if you think about it. Like, that's an obvious breakdown, but it's really all about targeting the right client, providing an amazing, excellent service, results-oriented, and properly driven strategically to give them the type of plan of action that can produce what they need in terms of winning and achieving their own goals. So set that up in a way that everybody wins, everybody benefits, and at the end of the day, succeed and get money. Now, I want to tell you about some emphasis that I'm placing on the mind shift, because you're going to need to get yourself in position to target these clients, to secure the clients, secure the bag for that matter. And what I want to share with you is my new book, 12 Laws of Entrepreneurship. The Mind Shift of a Millionaire will get you to where you need to be in conquering all of your goals and accomplishing them. We're going to talk about becoming one with your purpose. When you're looking for what passion that is and finding a niche, become one with your purpose. There's a chapter in there about it. It also talks about structuring and orchestrating balance. These are crucial aspects fundamentally that every entrepreneurship should have. This is a 45-minute quick read, and you're going to love everything about it because it's going to let you get right down to business, no fluff. And I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that it will be one of the tools that will help you get to your journey of success when you go to succeed and get money. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you on the next video.
And there you have it. Plant a seed and get growing. Go out there, make a difference, succeed and get money.